My hope for our students is that they go out and have a fulfilling life where they're making a difference in the world.
I think it's incredibly short-sighted to try to compete in tomorrow's economy with yesterday's technology. It's imperative that we get our cost function under control and that we become more effective in retaining, graduating, educating, helping students find jobs.
The biggest issue that we had was the system that we were using was not created for our work world today. Nothing was intuitive, and therefore we had too many fields that had to be entered, which led to error and repetitiveness. We were running over 10 different payroll cycles. We reduced those payroll cycles now to 2.
I think for me as an information security officer, I always embrace the cloud when it's done properly. With Oracle, it was clear they were layering security throughout the entire environment.
We're becoming more nimble, more responsive. We are seeing an improvement of about 66% in process time. We have the capacity to administer and manage twice the load of research scholarships, externally funded grants. We had a $37 million increase in our online education revenue just this one year.
We need to be able to be good stewards to both our parents, alumni, our students, and be able to show we're doing the right things by them.